Homeless and expected to be placed under house arrest, defendant Darryl Cundiff wants a Superior Court judge to release him from the Department of Corrections prison. Cundiff is the third defendant charged in connection to the July murder that claimed the life of Joshua Taitagui. He's facing charges of possession of a firearm without a valid ID and illegal transfer of a firearm, accused of giving murder defendant David Nkanko Jr. the gun used in the killing. In court Friday, defense attorney William Bischoff argued for his client's release on bond, noting Cundiff is homeless and has been camped out in the Pago Bay area for quite some time. Bischoff telling the court his client has relatives nearby who will take him to probation, adding he is not a danger to the community. Prosecuting attorney Monty May opposed it, arguing how Cundiff's alleged actions led to the death of one man. Defense countered that was not true. But prosecutor May contends his investigators have the evidence to show otherwise. Court documents state Cundiff told investigators he found the 9mm gun in the jungle 5 years ago and gave it to Nkanko just earlier this year unloaded. Magistrate Judge Benjamin Sison initially agreed to release Cundiff today on a $5,000 bond and place him on house arrest. That's until the judge asked defense if Cundiff would be staying with others. Defendant Cundiff responding that at least a handful of them camp out in Pago Bay. That's when the judge took back his decision and ordered probation to find out if the others are convicted felons. Cundiff tried to get one last word in to get the court to reconsider, but that wasn't enough. He will now have to wait 1 week to find out if he will be allowed to get out of prison. Cundiff is back in court on August 23rd. Meantime, defendants Nkanko and Francis Cruz have since been indicted for their alleged parts in the murder.